Hello student of class 3, welcome to your math class student. So today we will discuss on a new topic on division, okay? So open the page number 118 from your composite book, and the topic is today's topic is relation between multiplication and division. Means sometime maybe they given the they can be given you the give you the math in multiplication form. Then from this multiplication form you have to be convert it as a division form, or else maybe it can be the opposite one. Means they will give you in a division form and you will have to be turn it to as a multiplication form. That's mean. So let's see. So if I say that 4 into 3, 4 into 3 equal to how much, student? 12, isn't it? 4 into 3 equal to 12, we all know. Now this is the MUL multiplication form or fact, isn't it? Multiplication form. Now this multiplication form can we write down like this, that 12 divided by 4 equal to 3 and 12 divided by 3 equal to 4. So this 2 is called division fact of this multiplication fact, division fact of this multiplication fact, okay? And in the opposite case also can be happened. So like this, means they will give you like this, 18 divided by 3, so equal to 3 6 are 8, sorry 3 6 are 18, okay? Now this is the division form or division fact, you can say. This is the division form, okay? Now you have to be write down it as a multiplication form or fact. So like this, so 3 into 6 equal to 18, and also 6 into 3 is also called also 18. So this 2 is the multiplication fact of this division fact, okay? So in exercise number 26 in your book, they give you the maths is like that exercise. Okay, so the first one is write two division fact. So they are saying write two division fact, means they will now what is the math? The math is 24 divided by 6 equal to 4. This is the math, okay? Now as we all know that this is the division fact. Now you have to, sorry, this is the division fact. Write to multiplication, write to multiplication fact. Okay, so it has been given as a division fact. Now the answer will be like this. Now we all know that 6 fours are is 24, and also 4 6 are 4 into 6 is equal to 24. Okay, so this is the multiplication fact of division fact. Okay, and now on exercise in this way, do all the maths from one number, and then after that they are saying that write two division fact. Okay, so first example I have, so see the number 2, 4 into 5 equal to 20. This is the multiplication form. Now they are tell you to write down is a division fact. So the number 1 is 20 divided by 4 equal to 5. Number B, 20 divided by 5 equal to 4. So this 2 is the division fact. Okay. Means here see the 3 numbers has been given. So only these 3 numbers you have to be used for, for write the division fact or multiplication fact. Okay, and this is very easy and interesting thing of the division, I think. So I know that it will not feel by all of you hard. So practice all the maths from this exercise. Okay, that's all for today. Have a good day. Bye bye all of you.